Hey guys, Anthony 4x4 Touring Australia. We've been a bit unlucky with tyres recently. Looks like we've got a slow leak on one of these BFG KO2s. Apparently things come in threes. We don't usually see any issues, but I'll show you the issue. We'll go down to there. We've got the tarp ready. We've got the puncher repair kit ready. Get it done in the morning before it gets hot. We've been running on this for a few days, so it certainly didn't stop us, but you can see, I'll turn the light on actually. That's better, isn't it? This is what a vehicle looks like when you've been touring. Yeah, look at that, pretty clean, not too bad, huh? Bit of dust. Dust doesn't really stick till it gets wet, but anyway, that's what we're looking at. Let's have a good look at that. How unlucky can you be? It is actually a stone by the looks of it. Mitch, can you please pass me the pliers? Right, so we got the tools here. We've got the pliers to pull it out. We've got the thing if we're going to drill it out a little bit, hone it out. We've got the lube to slide it in because the hole's pretty small, so I might not drill it out. You know, you got to think about what you do, making the hole bigger. Depends what we see when we pull that out. And I'm trying to show you here. Please apologise. I apologise in advance. That's nasty, isn't it? Have a look at that. But I'm going to get Mitch to try and hold the camera like that, but it's going to be hard work because he's just kneel down. Are you alright or not? Are you going to be able to do this? Or here, you grab it. You hold it. You hold it there. Try and hold it on the job as best as you can. Can you see the picture so you can? Yeah, actually, if we had a little tripod, we could just sit it like that, couldn't we? That'd be a pain, mate. Can you hold that like that, please? Can you try and hold it just on an angle like that? That's it. Just try not to move it. I'll pull this out and it's going to go psh. You watch this. Look at this, nasty. Oh yeah, that's a big hole, that is. That is a big hole, that's a big rock. I hope I don't regret pulling this out. This is massive. God, crikey. Oh, look at that. That's the end of a screwdriver. I've copped it again. You know, like these outback tracks, it's meant to be just dirt, sticks and rocks. This is a big chunk of metal here. Wow, we won't be honing out this one. God, have a look how long that is. It's massive. It's like the end of a screwdriver.
It's like it's falling off a plumber's truck.
Oh God, look at that. Have a look at that, people. How unlucky can you be? Anyway, right, what we need to do, I'm going to get a bit of the lube on the end of things so the tyre goes too flat, and try and get that in. Okay, I'll just show you where it's at. I'm certainly no expert at this. Alright, see all the extra lube that come off. Sorry about the camera work, we'll just get rid of that. We don't need that in the picture. Just helps get it in. Alright, a rag would be handy. But anyway, Mitch, can you try and hold that around there somewhere again, please, mate? Anyway, look guys, a bit hard to do. We're going to pull this out carefully while holding that in. We're going to pull the rest out and see how it goes. Sorry I couldn't hold it. It's hard work under here, guys. Please give us a thumbs up for the efforts though. Right, so looking at that, we've got about half the length of the plug in and half out, which I'm happy with. That's how I like it. Big hole like that, doubled over. Hopefully it seals. And yeah, so we'll pump it up, have a spit on it, see if it's leaking or not, and maybe there'll be another video to give you some feedback on whether it worked or not. Please give us a thumbs up for the efforts crawling around under the vehicle trying to do the camera. We could have not done that. And if you haven't already, subscribe, turn the bell on for more real touring information, reality stuff that you can actually do yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya. Anyway, thanks for watching. Seems to be with the soak test, there's no bubbles. It's holding pressure. Going to test it on the highway for 45 k's. Check it again. Look at the size of that nail, would you? Like, or whatever it is. Let's try and work out what it is. Okay, 3 fingers wide. We'll put it down on this. What is going on here? Okay, so it looks like a square at that end. So it's like a bit out of a driver, a square, and that almost looks like a Phillips head end, right? Anyway, what's the chances, guys? I've been driving around forever with no no flat tyres, no punches, whatever, going on about how good BFGs are. In between these two, we'll call it unnatural events, because it's not a stick, a stone, or something that should have been on the track. If you saw our other video where we did the repair, fair bit of entertainment there. You know, it was a Pasload nail, ram set, what do you call it? You know what I mean? You know, one of those long nails, and it went in. What's the chances? It went in the tyre here and out this side and hit the rim, and basically the same things happened, but on the inside of the tyre and a little bit further in the tread anyway. So there you go, one BFG. Well, it didn't let us down, but it's all plugged up, it's all good. A Grand Track totally sliced open, and now a BFG that's had that in it. It's holding pressure as well at the moment, with a bit of R&D to let you know how well these plugs work. Try and help you get me some practice, because I haven't had a lot of practice. I don't have problems, and I want to get good at it. That's why we're going to test it like this. I know a lot of other people that use them, and they do hold really well. So sometimes better because of the flex in the side of the tyre, better than putting patch plugs and stuff like that in there. Anyway guys, up to you, just sharing the info. Thanks for watching. Remember, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe, turn the bell on. Hopefully next video will just be a bit more scenery. Thanks for watching guys, see ya.